Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great time. I'm mostly recovered, you could say. As you know, I took some days off and my newest creative pack should have launched last Tuesday, 31st of August, but it didn't, and I'm sorry to say it's not gonna to launch today either because I want to put some more work into it. I want to just give you the best quality ever. But instead of that, I want to give you today my Magical Autumn Light online course, which is really good, and it is perfect for this time of year because autumn is starting. It's the most orange time of the year. Beautiful colors out there, and this course is showing you how to edit it into a magical, amazing, beautiful experience, and you get it for the lowest price ever. This beautiful thing right here. So check that out. And I really hope that tomorrow I have my new online course ready, which is cinematic color grading in Affinity Photo. And this course will be very beginner friendly. I want to explain every tool that I'm using. We're going to talk about color theory. We're going to look at examples from different movies and different color concepts that they are using, why they are using that. I also will link some videos and some blog posts that you can look at and read through to understand it more. And color is so important because color is the impression, the expression also of your picture. It's the artistic voice of your photo, because taking a picture, that's one thing, but then editing into a masterful, beautiful work, that's a completely different story. And color is what evokes emotion, what tells a story, what gives taste to a picture. So this is going to be a really cool course and a really important topic, and this is why I want to take a little bit more time to make it perfect for you and hopefully launch it tomorrow during my live stream. So please check that out. And also please, I hope you're still watching, I have right now in my Facebook group, which you should absolutely join, it's completely free, the September of Photography. All of you are invited to take a picture every day, or ideally multiple pictures, and then share the best picture of that day under the post of that day in the group. And this is amazing. So many people are taking part. It's a real experience, a real nice learning journey for everybody, and also to see what are other people doing, getting inspired, learning from their shots, talking with other photographers. Really amazing. Join that, completely free. Make that happen, and see you tomorrow in my live stream, also linked below. Have a nice evening. Bye.